Do you live in the Kyle area? Are you over 55 and unable to get to appointments? Do you find it difficult to access public transport? If so, then why not join the Senior Car Service, which will be available from April 2014. This service is for appointments only. For example, to visit the dentist, optician, hair appointment, etc. There is space in the car for a small wheelchair or other walking aid. You will be picked up from your home by one of our trained, friendly volunteers and taken to and from your appointment. In order to use the service, there will be a small yearly membership fee, together with a modest mileage charge for each journey. For more information, please call 01292 281 800 or email us on car@voluntaryactionsouthayrshire.org.uk.